How to get a new cash card. So you want to click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then here we want to scroll down until we see the option for support. So just click on support. Right here we have to search for card missing, and it will give you a bunch of articles. So we want to click on the first one, report lost or stolen card. It's gonna give us some information, but we want to click on this related option, so report lost or stolen card, and it will show us report your cash card. So once we select it, we will be given different options. So card missing, card stolen, or card damaged. So I'm going to do card missing. And right here, it will basically take you to the support page. If it doesn't work for you, like you've just seen for me, you can click on chat directly, and then right here you will explain your issue to them. So you will tell them that you've lost your cash card and that you require a new one, and they will hook you up with a new cash card. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.